Are you looking to maximize your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into the world of fuel injector system cleaners. We've carefully selected the top 5 products that promise to clean, optimize, and breathe new life into your engine. From deep cleaning fuel injectors to reducing friction and enhancing throttle response, these fuel system cleaners have got it all. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. This fuel system cleaner is a powerful solution designed to optimize your vehicle's fuel system. This 20-ounce bottle packs a punch when it comes to cleaning and maintaining your engine's performance. Using Techron Concentrate Plus is incredibly easy. Simply add the recommended amount to your vehicle's gas tank during each fill-up and let it work its magic. Here are some pros. Effectively cleans fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Restores lost power and acceleration. Improves fuel efficiency. Cons. Some users may find the price slightly high compared to other options. Number 2. Liqui-Moly Ejector Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. This fuel injection cleaner is a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining your vehicle's fuel system. This 300 ml bottle of blue liquid is designed to clean and protect fuel injectors, ensuring optimal performance. Using the Ejector fuel injection cleaner is a breeze. Simply add the recommended amount to your fuel tank during fill-ups and it will start working immediately. Here are some pros. Cleans and protects fuel injectors. Improves throttle response. Reduces harmful emissions. Cons. May not be as readily available in all regions. Number 3. Gumout High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner. The Gumout Fuel Injector Cleaner is a fantastic option for vehicles with higher mileage. This pack includes 6 ounces bottles, ensuring you have plenty of cleaners to maintain your fuel system over an extended period. The specialized formula is designed to target and remove tough carbon deposits that can accumulate in fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Here are some pros. Specifically formulated for high-mileage vehicles. Removes tough carbon deposits. Reduces friction and improves engine efficiency. Cons. May require multiple treatments for heavily carbonized systems. Number 4. Resol HyperFuel Complete Fuel System Cleaner Gas. The Resol HyperFuel Complete Fuel System Cleaner Gas is a comprehensive solution to keep your fuel system in top shape. This product is specially formulated to improve fuel efficiency, reduce emissions, and enhance engine performance. Here are some pros. Improves fuel efficiency. Reduces harmful emissions. Enhances engine performance. Cons. May require regular use for long-term maintenance. Number 5. Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer. The Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer by STP is a versatile and effective product that offers multiple benefits for your vehicle's fuel system. With its deep cleaning action and engine friction fighting properties, this 12 ounces bottle is a reliable choice. Here are some pros. Deep cleans fuel system components. Stabilizes fuel during storage. Fights engine friction. Cons. Some users may find the scent slightly strong. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.